In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Uber driver account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and look up Reactivate Uber driver account. Then you want to go to the official help.uber.com website right over here where it says reactivation request. So over here, it is going to give you a little bit more details. So keep in mind that if you were not online within the last 90 days, your account could get automatically suspended, and you can always come back if you want to start rides again. And here is basically what we need to do. So what we need to do is we need to go to this particular website over here and we need to log in. So this is the website. It is called partners.uber.com. But if your account was originally activated earlier than 1 year ago before reactivating the account, you may be required to do re-verification. So please keep that in mind and have any important documents necessary. So just go ahead and press on partners, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just log into your Uber account, and then it is going to walk you through the entire process. So yeah, after you go ahead and log in, then you're going to get a reactivation form, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and just fill that up, and you may need to update your account information and documents, as I said previously, using something like a driver's license, insurance, vehicle registration, and etc. And guys, keep in mind that if you were deactivated due to low ratings, high cancellation rates, or low acceptance rates, you may need to complete a quality improvement course, such as the 7x7 experience, which is $59 in the United States. And obviously, if your account was permanently deactivated due to safety issues, fraud, or serious complaints like assault or a failed background check, then you're likely not going to get reactivated. But if you don't have any of those issues, then you guys should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.